Hello, Dave.
Hello, sir. Is it Rick or is it Craig?
Yeah, trying to be Craig now. The new RS6 expert. Wait, get through the intro with us and we'll give Craig some shit. Boop.
You need a microphone. There you go. You can just hold it if you want.
Okay, I'll just hold it.
Do you want me to hold it for you?
Thank you, Nathan. That's very helpful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's very helpful,
Right.
Nathan.
What's next, dude?
Right, next we have taken all the alternator and aircon pump and brackets, and so we're just going to take now this big. We're just going to take this rear timing case cover off now, and you guys can all see the chains and see where lots of things happen. So I'll just hand this down for Nathan.
Just a blur in the back there.
There we go. Right, so here is all the rear chains, which we will be replacing for George.
What the f*** are you holding?
A hot drink.
Do I seem to be holding one?
No.
Sackable offence.
I know it is in this place.
Sackable offence.
I know. Anyway, thank you, after the sackableness.
The sackableness. Craig's been busy.
Do you know what? I'm going to give you the mic, Craig. You want to hold that?
Okay.
If you'd like to hold Dab's muff.
Okay.
Just go a little bit higher.
Yeah. Go on. Get that muff right in your face, Craig. You'll love it.
Thank you. Thank you, Ricky. That's very helpful. There we go.
Right.
All right, here we go.
All right.
Yeah, we're fully
stripped.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Pretty much.
Pretty much. Yeah. 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 95%.
Flying, mate, ain't we?
Yeah. Yeah. No, we've done well.
Now we just need to drain George's bank account.
Yeah, there's a large list of parts to order. Yeah.
Yeah. You know that scene out of Wolf of Wall Street where he sat on his boat?
What I call them? Fun coupons.
This is RS6 ownership. Matthew and... right, so we're going to pull...
Upper girdle? Sump?
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
These two bits off.
The bits off, that's it, the two big bits.
That's big bits.
That's it, yeah, that's it. I made sure that was wound, because that's got to come out the way.
Come out.
Yeah, that's it, yeah, I'll do one tin back.
This is the pickup for the oil pump. So that's coolant, oil pressure feed, and then the 8 scavenge ports. So we'll pop this bit off first, and then we'll take the lower girdle off to expose the mains, and we'll see what condition the mains are in.
Yeah, there we go.
And my phone will ring. Hello, wife, you're on YouTubings.
Oh, am I?
So don't say piss or bugger or eat me.
Well, I wasn't ringing for any of that, but okay.
Oh, that's a shame. So we've got all the bolts undone, and then there's two. You probably see me do these on other V10s. There's 2 wind out posts, so that's off. Are these the retaining bolts at the bottom, mate?
I thought they was all pushy down points.
No. The screws go in your witch pole. So if I give them back to you,
okay.
They are the other screws that hold it down, right?
Oh, yes.
Right,
yeah.
Okay. So I just need to wind them out for you.
There we go. I'll pop
1,
them all
2,
back
3.
there, and that should all, as long as I've taken all the bolts out, lift off. That's it. Lovely.
Nothing too crazy.
No.
And then it's just T30s, right?
I think so,
That's all
yeah.
we've got left to take off.
Yeah.
Okay. We got to get the...
Does that need to come off?
Yeah, because there's a bolt underneath it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he looks very rusty, doesn't he? Look at him.
It'll be a giggle. Oh, no. What else are you going to do with your life?
I don't know. I left it on there because I thought that'd be really horrible to get off as well.
And then I've ruined the day.
All right, let's get a little wire brush. Try and find the bolt head first.
He's got a wire brush.
I know.
I have.
I know another RS that could be useful for.
Yep.
Hello.
Need a die grinder on that, not a wire brush.
Yeah. Small.
Well, we're going to do a bit more this week, haven't we? Because Dad's got a plan.
We have a plan.
We have a plan.
We like a plan.
Don't know what the plan is.
Okay. Oh, that is.
It's fine. It's what a hammer's for.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just hammer something.
So we're just gonna, because it's leaking.
Right.
It was leaking out of here, and then we got a little leak out of here. We're just gonna, this is why we're splitting the girdle.
Really?
And then we'll see what state the bearings are in. So you haven't got to go crazy on these. The problem is like everyone, when you start trying to push big power out of these and you put aftermarket rods and pistons in them, people drop the compression and then they never really get the power back because the static compression's wrong. It's a 10, I think, isn't it?
You think it's a 10?
Yeah.
Was it a 10?
It's a 10. It's a whacker.
10 doesn't seem to...
Oh, no, it's
No.
And the next one you put in here is a 12.
12, yeah.
Look.
It's quite rotten though, mate. Like, there's no teeth left in most of it. Yeah, he's not happy. Ricky, you're going to have to do some hammering.
All right, you start undoing T30s on your side.
Yeah, you do the hammering.
All right, so I've got them all undone this side.
On your side, right.
You've got 2 in there and 1 down there.
Oh, that's
one
right, he's in the hole, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want them?
I'll
you
take
put
them.
them in
I'll put them in...
their little home.
I'll put them in a little home. There we go.
Okay, only snap-on tools will get this undone.
It will.
Brought to you in association with. Right, so the tensioner's probably good, but you need a new tensioning bolt.
Yeah, bolt is not going to...
Look at that, Craig.
Look at him.
Eh? Amazing boss I am.
I know.
What did you break? Didn't you jump a quad or something after you trespassed on a motocross track?
I jumped a Polo
Ah, right, okay.
and nearly rolled it.
Yeah.
And then I jumped a Porsche.
Sorry.
You offered to take my son to Amsterdam.
What's wrong with that?
Eh?
You wanted to see Anne Frank's museum thing?
What?
That
Right,
thing
what have we got? I got one
that,
here.
That thing needs bonking off.
Just bonking off.
Yeah, that thing needs
I'll,
bonking off.
I'll bonk that off for you, Craig.
If you wouldn't mind, that would be wonderful. Thank you. That's it.
There you go.
Yeah.
A beautiful bit of bonking.
Well, it was there, to be fair. Yeah. And we need him, and then we need...
I'm amazed at how little mess you have made.
I don't make mess.
It's like the neatest explosion of an engine ever.
No, I don't make mess. Yep. Right, we just need a longer thing in there.
That's what they all say.
Yeah. Come on.
You right?
Yeah, that's it.
I want that.
Stop doing that.
And it's up, up, up she goes.
Oh, that's it. One of those.
You know, when they should be working. Pop it. Flop it.
What happened to Pop It?
I think you still buy them.
Missed it.
Pop it. Lick it. Yeah. Honestly, this is supposed to be the pinnacle of technical educational videos. And the more and more I watch them,
The worse it gets.
the worse it gets. We got where's that long one you just took out, mate? Or one of the long ones?
One of the long ones here.
So I've broken 2.
Oh, right, yeah.
You
That's
just
all,
break
that's
this
all
one.
up now, yeah. Lovely. Right, that's all popped now, isn't it?
What do you want?
Nothing, what do you want?
Eh? Tea. Right. Grab outside then, Craigie boy.
Okay, come on then.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Little. There we go.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Down here. Stand him up. Oh, there we are. Oh, well.
We've got a screw left in that we've got to take out. Let's get that.
No, that's fine. Oh, they'll be in there now, the bearings, won't they?
Let's go fly a kite up to the highest height. Let's go fly a kite and see it soaring. It's good, to be fair. Could do with a polish, but
Are we going to do that?
the question is, are we going to do rod bearings?
I don't know.
Neither do I.
Are we?
Sounds like a grown-up question.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah.
I don't want to decide that yet.
Okay.
The crank looks mint, to be fair.
It does.
And then if we come
On to this one.
here, double up. Got a little particle score here. You see it? That shiny line through it.
in the middle there, almost.
But other than that, she looks tickety-boo.
Yeah.
That one's probably the worst one.
Oh, yeah.
Other than that, mate, looks like a fucking 90,000 mile.
Was it 90,000 or was it?
80.
Was it?
80, 90, something like
Okay.
that. I think George is up next week, so we'll have a chat with him.
Oh, is he? Oh,
Yeah.
lovely. Okay.
But it's whether he wants to go, you know, rod bolts, rod bearings.
Blah, blah, blah.
Because
Yeah.
they're £15 a rod bolt.
Right.
So then you're like, oh Christ, that's 150
Whatever.
quid just in bolts. Front main seal.
Pop him off. It was very rusty, all this front
Yeah,
nose.
it's not very.
Yeah.
It will need a bloody good Scotch Brite anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, that pulley was pretty well on there.
Mate, that's not bad for 2 days' work, is it?
That'll do.
So we've got bottom girdle to clean up, this one to bang a set of bearings in,
Are you going
and
to
give it
change
a good clean.
change all those?
Yeah, we change them anyway. Don't go this far, not.
Right.
Then what have we got?
Here's trays.
We'll do new tensioners. We'll rebuild the actuators. We're going to lock them open.
Okay.
New injectors. Probably Aquablaster top covers. You had a lot of corroded T30s in them as well, didn't you?
Yeah, they're all rotten. Yeah, he's got some new covers, hasn't he?
Oh, has he got new ones to
He's
go
got
in?
brand new ones.
Ah, cool.
Yeah, he's got brand new ones.
Mint.
And bags up there, but yeah, all the bolts. I mean, look at the state of them all. They're all. Some of them were quite.
The new intake pipes come with the TTEs, but we'll put new boost control valves on them.
Yeah, yeah. They have different ones.
New coils, and if we go back here, the top covers will get rebuilt.
Lots of.
The auxiliary unit will get rebuilt. You didn't find any issues with any guides, did you?
No, none. No, I mean,
They
we're
just,
probably.
they just look old. We'll put new ones in.
Yeah, we'll change them all.
They just look aged. New chains. Rebuilt the front controller, the front oil controller.
Yeah.
Everything's just grotty, isn't it?
Everything just, clean it all up.
You're
scrub
probably going to
everything.
put 4-cam control solenoids in them because they're going to break coming out. New set of valve springs. And then whether he wants to put valves in them, let's flip a head up.
Yeah, I actually have not looked at them, I'll be honest. I just popped them down.
Put me them in.
They normally always are on these, aren't they?
Pretty good.
In honesty, they're always pretty mint.
So we get the seats cut.
Yeah.
I'll give him the option whether he wants to put valves in it or not. We definitely put springs in it.
Yeah.
Definitely put stem seals in
Definitely. Yep. 100%.
Definitely give a heads a clean. Definitely put cam solenoids. Should probably put a set of tappets in it.
Yeah, no, it's in really good nick. Doesn't look like it's been apart too much either.
No, I saw a join at the back of the engine I questioned.
Yeah.
But other than that, nothing's jumped out that's been apart before.
No, there was nothing obviously broken or anything, you know, like when people just do a few dicey
Then
things.
just lots of stuff just needs to go through the wash tank.
It does lots of cleaning, yeah.
Have you got the turbos to go on this and the
The other gearbox is over the other side, which has been built, and then the turbos are there as well.
Turbos are over there
Should we
in
ever
the
wander over?
Yeah,
Because I've got to go and find a circlet for a gearbox anyway, so let's do that.
Okay.
As if by magic.
We're over the other side.
On the other side.
Wait, there's some sweeties.
Sweets.
That's always a bonus, isn't it?
Right, so you got some studs and fittings in there. Simon's a good lad.
TTE. Simon's got a B5 RS4.
Has he?
A lovely one, yeah.
All the big ones we've ever done have been on these. Right, if you shut the lid down, mate. Just grab the knife. Sorry, mate.
Oh, where is it? You stuck it in
blade
somewhere. There we are. Got him.
Okay.
That's it. There we go. That's it. We'll make a bench.
Right.
Oh, they've got all new feed pipes. So I remember when we've done Ken's ones, all of them had to be put on and they was a blooming nightmare.
Yep.
Yeah.
Right, I hold you, Paul. There you go.
There we go. Oh, so they come with these welded
Yeah,
new bits on them.
so what they do is they weld the back of the collar and then they machine the inside the collar out to make it bigger.
Okay.
Yeah?
Sweet.
So that's the bit that's missing is the wastegate control. So
Yeah, he bolts on
comes
there.
off the common, goes here, up to the wastegate actuator, and the other hose goes.
There's one here, isn't there?
Yeah.
One here.
I thought, then the brass fit in here, goes in that hole,
So-
and it returns back into the
Yeah,
intake.
so there's definitely 3 that are all here. That's the ones, yeah.
But the big risk with these is they fracture the wastegate.
Okay.
Down at the wastegate seat.
Okay.
So they've put new studs in as well. Look.
Yeah.
So, and then they set the spring pressures.
Gotcha. So are these the original turbos, and then these have been sent off?
These were the ones off his engine
Originally
that we sent away. He did have some done by someone else.
Okay.
And in the end, he just pulled the trigger on these.
Right. Are these the best ones?
These are ones I've always made the most power on.
Right. Okay. Cool.
So oil feed hose, and then yeah, we'll just have to, when you've got them sat on the engine, we'll just push some oil with an oil can through to flood the core. That's your water hoses.
That's it, yep. And that's a little return down there, which is all on the car, or was.
Pretty.
Yeah, nice. That's the proper jobs.
What are these rated to?
Wow, these are called the TT1000s.
Thousands, aren't they? Yeah.
So
That's pretty Ronseal there then.
yeah, pretty much, mate.
Yeah, yeah. They do what they say on the tin, I think. Yeah.
Si, senor.
Yeah.
Right. Chuck that in there, and then that's his last two trims and stuff as well. But I don't know whether you've taken them over the other side already.
I have not taken any trims, no.
Because all is, as in the floor trims?
No.
Right, okay.
No.
They're either on the roof then or down the back.
I reckon they're on the roof over there, because I've not seen any of those on Monday.
Okay, all right.
What was his estate running before with the old
800, the white one?
800, yeah, that's it, yeah. I couldn't remember what it was. I was saying earlier, Dad, wasn't it? But I couldn't remember what the power it was.
Yeah, not exactly shy, still 800.
No.
So what have we got with the gearbox then?
So that is a TO Motors gearbox with NIS Pro intermediate and input shafts, so billet shafts, billet baskets. So yeah, like T28 is the same box, and they do 1200 newton meters of torque. So
Wow.
another reason why we kind of stopped doing these conversions, because we'd send them off, and I'd be waiting months and months and months for gearbox to come back.
George waited ages, didn't he, for it as well?
The last one I did wait 18 months.
Yeah.
So that's where I stopped.
Yep. We're not doing them anymore.
We're definitely not doing them anymore, are we, Craig?
No, definitely not. No, we would not be seen doing any more of these. No.
No.
God, no.
What he's done there with the sticker, not Run DMC,
No.
Run TTE.
Yeah.
Nice touch.
Sweetie. Callum's eating sweets.
It's always nice when they send sweets, isn't it?
Lovely. I mean, technically, they're probably George's, really. So when he sees this, he'll just know that you've eaten them.
I like George, I'm going to put a
Okay.
sweet.
Yeah. Lollipop, oh, nothing's gonna get me down. Oh.
I'm going to tell the folks home you found the circlet.
Yeah, I found circlip. $1 million. Right. I don't know what Craig's doing. Hi, Craig. Are you tidying up? Oh. Okay, so while Craig commits a felony or crime, depending on what.
Bubble wrap, by the way.
Sorry.
I need to cover that engine up. Bubble wrap. That's it.
Bubbles wrap.
Yeah, that's it.
Call me Bubbles.
That's it. Was anybody using it over there, Callum?
The box was.
No, that box is also mine now. Okay, when I need another box, that will be mine. Okay, thank you.
Anywho.
Rich people, man.
Yeah. Rich people. So entitled, honestly, aren't they?
Just take as much bubble wrap as I need. Thank you very much.
So if you want to build any more RS6s, drop Craig a message in the comments below.
No, don't.
And we'll see you.
Don't do that. Don't do that. We don't work on them anymore.
No. We'll see you next Tuesday.
Okay, right.
Good boy.
That's it, yeah.
Do you want to say bye to everyone?
Say bye. Say bye, Callum.
No. Right. Go on, you can boop if you want.
Bye.